Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video comparing two popular cameras in the market, the Sony Alpha a6400 and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E. If you're into photography or vlogging, this video is for you. We'll be looking at various aspects of these cameras to help you decide which one is right for you. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more tech reviews and comparisons. Okay, let's dive in. Let's talk about the price. The Sony Alpha a6400 is currently priced at $999, while the Canon EOS M50 Mark E comes in at $899. Both of these cameras offer great features for their price range. When it comes to image quality, both cameras excel. The Sony Alpha a6400 features a 20.1 MP stack-back illuminated 1x more RS CMOS sensor, while the Canon EOS M50 Mark E boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. Both sensors deliver sharp and high-resolution images, ensuring every detail is captured. In terms of autofocus, both cameras have impressive capabilities. The Sony Alpha a6400 offers wide 425-phase 425 contrast detection points over 84% of the sensor, ensuring quick and accurate focusing. On the other hand, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E features improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, making it a reliable choice for capturing subjects with precision. If you're into videography, both cameras have some fantastic video capabilities. The Sony Alpha a6400 allows you to create time-lapse movies and slow quick-motion videos without the need for post-processing. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p for slow-motion footage. Additionally, it has a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, which is convenient for vlogging and composing shots from various angles. Now, let's talk about some notable additional features. The Sony Alpha a6400 comes with a tiltable LCD screen that is customizable for vlogging, professional filming, or still photography. On the other hand, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers high-quality webcam capability using the free EOS Webcam Utility software or clean HDMI output. It also includes a combination tripod grip and remote, as well as a stereo microphone for achieving high-quality audio in your videos. And there you have it, a detailed comparison of the Sony Alpha a6400 and the Canon EOS M50 Mark E. Both cameras offer incredible features and quality that cater to different needs. Ultimately, it depends on your specific requirements and budget. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.